Good morning, everybody.
What are you doing in my car?
We're on our way down to the one-stop Motorshop, and as you might have noticed, I'm not in Marty. So we had a bit of an emergency with Marty. Unfortunately, he blew a coolant pipe, and that was the end of that. But we are on the way down that loan to the guys at One Stop Motorshop. They've invited us down for an open day. We're going to get down there. There's going to be cars, coffee, ice cream, soda here.
Ice cream, I heard, yeah.
Radio and everything like that. So we're just going to get down here, have a bit of crack. So stay tuned, give us a like, give us a follow, and leave a comment below.
Smell a dome. Smell a dome. Oh my god.
Put fucking hair on your chest, that lad.
You're in Longford now.
You're in Longford now, boy.
Stick to the speed limit.
100 no more.
100 no more.
So where would you be going any more than that? So we arrived down to One Stop Motorshop and we were immediately flanked by an Evo 5 and 6. More from them later on, so stay tuned. And not to forget this mega little Lupo GTI with a little hidden surprise. First things first though, I seen an opportunity to get to go on an electric scooter, so I have to take it. We'll take this off now.
Aye, don't represent man.
Right, what kind of speed does this thing do?
57.
57k. Yeah. Jesus Christ. How do I go? This? Right, okay. Right, this is going to be a short video, I think. Oh, Jesus. Wow! You have to go sideways on the speed bumps. She's low, lads.
I nearly dropped my fucking car off, geez, you could do the work on it.
No, that'll only come back less valuable. Valentino Rossi's got nothing on me, lads, I'll tell you. Can you do a wheelie on them?
I can.
Right, go on then, you. Jesus Christ.
Come on, okay with this now.
Oh my God.
Hello.
On the lads.
Where are you parking?
Horn blaring. So we've started playing Connect 4 here and it's getting incredibly competitive. So this is game 3 now. This is game 3. Game 1 went... Who won game 1?
We did.
We did. Yeah. So game 1 went to Toolz. Game 2 is a stalemate. So this... Everyone's saying the jumpers are off, lads. The jumpers are off.
I have to advertise One Stop, so I can't have a jumper.
Alright, so who's going first?
Rock, paper, scissors?
Yeah, rock, paper, scissors.
Oh, jeez. Right.
Rock, paper, scissors, shit.
Oh, Daniel. Fuck.
Now, I'm not exaggerating when I say this game got very competitive. So we played the first game, it was casual, we won that game. Game 2 ended up in a stalemate because it immediately ramped up in terms of competitiveness and neither of us wanted to lose. So this is game 3, it's all on the line. There's strategy, there's tactics, we're whispering to each other, they're whispering to each other. This was, this is brilliant fun. I really enjoyed this game of Connect 4, but my God, we are far too competitive. It could be. It seems problematic, to be honest.
This is getting competitive here now, so we need a referee at this stage. He's after me now. So.
He's after shutting you down.
Be slan all together.
That's kind of a fan, isn't it?
There could be a falling out at the end of this. You don't know.
This is the end of it now. We're just going to get the car on.
Okay.
Yeah, we're there. There's no offer up there.
Here we go, Michael.
Wished.
Oh, it's your go,
Wished.
sorry.
Wished.
But I don't like doing that because that still soaks them up. So
We have a center.
Oh, I messed up.
Yeah.
I messed up.
Yes. Get in there.
Oh, you didn't say it.
Good game.
That's only one.
Good game. ToolzwithCarz, undefeated.
Don't just look at it. Say it.
No, now for the whole list. You lost that game.
Then they might hear it.
We'll win and have a
Big
nosy.
spot, huh?
Let's see.
They've the dippertain inside the door, anyways. That's a good sign. Hey, we could need an engine crane for the Mazda. It's a nice old lineup of stuff too, though, isn't it?
It's the type of stuff, though, you'd like to have a big pile of it, but you'd never use it.
I'd just loved it, but I would never use it.
Walking in, the first thing that you notice is just how well presented everything is. There I am, frantically Googling the credit union closing times, because this place is dangerous to lads like us. And I have to say, the staff are all super friendly, really nice people, and all very knowledgeable at what they do. Not only that, they're all car people, so they actually know what they're talking about. They're not in there bluffing. So after walking around the shop for a few minutes, checking out all the deals, the router side started to come out, and we were trying to wonder what could we get out of here with.
Big shelf like this at home.
Up in the loft.
No.
At home?
In the garage. No,
in the kitchen?
At home, my wife would kill me.
In the sink room?
No, in the garage with all the brake cleaners, everything.
Wouldn't it?
Just stocked.
Up there to start the lads. I'll start dismantling this shelf.
You start taking. Do you think it'll fit in the back?
I'll take this. We'll try it. We'll see
I
how
would
far we can get.
absolutely laugh that fella apart on you right now. I would.
I'd leave.
That'll be the end of the shit.
We'll be gone. We'll just walk away.
Oh, jeez, the radios and everything.
There's literally everything in here.
Everything. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at the finish line.
Look at this. Shout out to the lads from Finish Line.
Abcon Industrial Products.
Look at that. We use all this stuff
This is
here.
all the stuff we use.
We've used this on the Volvo.
I had to cover up all the problems. We need about 40 more cans of it.
She's mint.
I didn't realise Comline done batteries. She didn't realise they done batteries. We could do it about 40 of them as well.
Do everything. Now
Subframes. These are a massive thing now as well. Subframes and yokes.
Yeah.
Fail and test like mad. So
Sure, everything that's in yokes now is just pure shit.
it's amazing that they can get spurious subframes like.
Will we take a wee nosy and see what's at the back?
Yeah, I suppose we will. Better just say to someone that he's going to be recording us out there though.
No, should they know that?
Oh, that's alright.
Yeah.
Hey, will you fit a big impact gun in your pocket, do you think?
Oh, easy.
Easy.
Yeah, we'll get that taken.
He always listen. The left's working, the full raise is working.
I seen that, yeah.
Yeah.
We're just wondering how we're going to get them, you know, the on-the-wheel dollies, how we're going to get them on our pockets to walk out.
We're trying to figure out what we can get out of here with.
Special.
If we,
You know what your best to do with them?
Just grab and run.
Just be as bold as it is.
Yeah, I'll tell you what, if you just put it on your arm and walk out.
And even ask these boys, hey, boys, come over here, give us a lift.
Carry out this lift and put on the roof of the car.
That's it, right? Well, sure, then we'll do that. And so, thanks for the tips.
Just grab the stuff and walk out with it.
I'm well used to it myself.
Here from ToolzwithCarz.
We need one of these. We'll start with this.
God almighty, some amount of stuff just to have sitting in there.
Isn't it? All the
These are all
calipers
just
as well.
discs.
What's
the story?
What's happening?
David, I'm the branch manager here.
Oh, come on,
Oh,
Tim.
good man,
I didn't
Dave.
get out to chat to you yet.
We're getting through it.
It's been a busy morning so far.
You've been up the wall.
Look, it's great that it's busy, isn't it? Yeah, absolutely.
No, it's great.
Just,
Great turnout. Like, we're having a wee nosy around
I'll
here.
have a nosy about go out there.
Aye.
We have equipment set up
Have a look upstairs as well. Yeah, Lorraine was showing us around there, so we'll just come around now, do a bit of quick video and stuff like that.
I'll get to chat to you there in a few minutes.
Yeah, we'll chat to you after.
We'll chat to you in a bit.
Play about them lofts there, they're all going.
That's alright. Put the escort van down. There's keys in it.
These are on
Load her up, boys. Load her up. Get her loaded quick. Good value in batteries at the minute for recycling. That's the same as the one we have now. You know that?
I know, yeah. Do you know what the worst thing is? Oh, I kind of want to go at that escort van now.
No, we spoke about that only this week. There's no more swapping and changing.
We could squeeze it in. We could squeeze it in.
We can squeeze nothing in, so we're definitely not squeezing the transit van in. Or the
Squeeze it
escort
in,
van.
the
I mean.
escort van. It's happening, lads. She's
It
nice.
is
She's
class,
clean.
isn't it? It is nice.
She's well underneath as well. isn't
Well
she?
wax oiled underneath, yeah. I wonder if they're going to be using it as a delivery van, or is it just a kind of a publicity yoke more than anything?
Oh, fuck me. Use it. Use it. Use it for deliveries.
Will you be using the Escort as a delivery van, or is it more a publicity thing than anything?
It's more publicity, and then they're using the deliveries wide for
Getting set up.
42,000 miles. You don't want to
Only 42,000 it.
42, it's either 52 or 42.
Jesus.
We could put a few in it. They'll never know.
We could put. You know what? We did say we needed a van.
We did. We do need a Toolz van.
We do need a Toolz van. These are what we need.
These are the proper job.
Hey, you know, is there 4 on it? Jeez, is there 2 more there?
You want to move it?
Yeah.
I can put it out.
Wouldn't it be fierce funny if we could get her rolled around to the front?
Oh no, why am I not?
Why am I not getting in as well?
Yeah, are we the problem?
I'd say we're the problem.
He's not coming down.
This needs to go that way so they're close together on the tires.
Aye, but sure.
Lock it in with that silver thing.
Easy, why no work?
Have you got it figured out?
No! Fuck, it's idiot proof, bitch. What does that do?
Now you're winning. Pump her up.
Don't you know, pump her up.
Don't go too high with it, because it's on a hill if it starts to roll on us.
We need a set of these.
They are a mighty job, aren't they?
Like, look at that's moving easy as well over tarmac as
Oh
well.
yeah, they're a mighty job.
Be a great yoke for you for a lad who can't reverse.
Now, how do we let them down is the question.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Jeez, that's savage. Right, we'll go upstairs and see.
Go up and have a nosy up here.
Have a crack and see what's up here now.
So there wouldn't be much upstairs in a place like this, would there?
Hardly. Holy jeez.
Jeez, look at the amount of shelving even. A lad like me get lost in this.
Holy mother of God.
Hi.
You get lost. This is them still setting up. This is an outrageous amount of stock to be holding in a motor shop. This is crazy because like the amount of times you'll go into a motor factors and you'll be like, have you got this, have you got that? Yeah, grand, we'll get it for you. It'll be here tomorrow or the next day. The fact that they have this amount of stuff here, ready to go, is
And they have
insane.
this across 4 stores as well.
4 shops as well.
All your ball joints, track rod ends, whatever here, bushings, anti-roll bar bushings, all the little bushings and everything. Like, look at back axle bushings as well.
Just to have that stuff just sitting ready to go.
I suppose with the fact that they have the 4 stores, they know what stuff's fast moving and stuff like that too. Look at this. Wonder what they noticed any of these missing.
Aye, you know what we could do.
Look at this snake in the background here. Busted! Jeez, is that must be they must be radiators up there.
Some size of a unit though, I like.
Look at the window regulators for the Volkswagens and Audis. You know the way they're part of the Jawa. That's the whole skins. Look at the amount of them.
Everything.
Jesus, that is incredible, isn't it?
There you go, lads. If you're looking for anything, get on to One Stop because they have a massive selection of stuff.
There's something you probably never have seen before. Dual mass flywheels.
Oh yeah.
Not gonna open, is it?
Oh no, I'm not damaged. Look at you rooting.
Rooting. She know me. I'm a professional rooter. Jesus, them boxes don't want to open. No, not.
They must have them locked. God, we need this shelf.
We really need that shelf. I don't think if they come back up here later on, half the shelves. But you see, they haven't got everything.
These shelves aren't being used.
Yeah, they haven't got everything here yet, so we could space stuff out and move stuff around a little bit.
And we could free up some of these shelves to take them. How many of these shelves can we steal?
Oh, Jesus. I wonder if we started mixing stuff up and putting it in the wrong locations.
Just to annoy them.
Just to trick them
Thanks
out.
for inviting us down. We're going to annoy your head.
Completely wreck your stock.
We've ruined all of your hard work.
Look at interior heater matrix.
Yeah, so lads, if you are in need of any kind of stuff, get on to One Stop. They have a huge amount of stock on site. They have 4 shops around the country. So if it's not here, it's here the next day. This is crazy. But more than likely, with the looks of it, it'll be here today.
It'll be here, yeah.
So, yeah.
Yeah.
We had to bring the dollies for a spin.
We had to bring the dollies for a drive.
Great job.
What engine that?
Oh, just 18 straight.
Straight easy. She wouldn't pull you out of bed, no.
No, half throttle, full throttle, all the same.
All the same, yeah. Yeah.
It's 1 speed and it's barely that.
Can't get yourself in trouble with that.
Well, that's true too, I suppose.
And it was around about this time I decided I'm going to have to try some of this ice cream, lads.
A bit of heat off it. Hold on, we'll get this first. Oh, Jesus Christ, that's looking good. Oh my days. There you are, sir. Look at that. Oh. It is good. Well worth the wait for the extra degree.
It was about this time that this little Lupo caught our eye, and lads, just wait till you see what's actually in this yoke.
Oh, I like that.
Oh, look at this. What the fuck?
I like that, actually.
Give us a drag of that.
No.
Yeah, come on, let me have a spin.
No.
Give us a go.
No.
Tell him it's my turn.
There's no fear missing that.
I want to play now.
Ma'am!
So when's this going to the Nürburgring? Someday.
I'll show you.
Oh. That's enjoyable.
Oh, be Jesus. Look at this. Look at this battery. Look at. Or maybe is that what the battery's meant to be in them, is it?
No.
No, it is relocate.
So you have this one and only your home.
That is cool, actually.
That
the fact
is
that the
very
GTI is cool as well. What size engine's in them?
1.6.
1.6. Oh, fucking hell.
I think they're around 130 breakers off.
That's mental power. That's Galanza territory.
Yeah, it's on, I think it's on KW coils all around.
Nice.
Brakes.
Upgraded brakes and everything.
Oh, yeah, it's
Oh, Jesus. Many penalty points have you got?
None so far.
Oh, there you go.
So
at least-
far.
Because like when you're just taking a handy through town or anything like that.
Nobody's looking at your ang like that, is it? Yeah.
Then as soon as you're like coming down the slip or something like that, you put the foot down.
Yeah, away it goes. They're just straight 1.6 as well. They're not turboing, are they?
No, they're in it.
They're either NA, yeah. Jesus, it is cool actually. I have to say. If you had have asked me 10 years ago, I'd say, "Oh God, no, they're horrible." But it's the fact now they've come back because they're kind of quirky.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? Like they're different. And as I said there earlier, they're the modern day Galanza. Do you know what I mean?
What I
Like,
love about them is there's so little of them left.
yeah, exactly. And especially GTI one too.
Like this is Japanese import as well.
Yeah.
It was Jap import, yeah, square plate and stuff like that too, I suppose. You've got a couple of cobwebs in the back of it there, though.
I know, don't look too closely at it.
That, like.
Get away from that! Get away from there!
Hey, do a will it start video on it, will you?
Right. I don't like sitting on other people's cars.
Go ahead, it's alright.
Amazing gear shift. Like, so tempting. Just makes everything about the car. Well, just like normal, it's just a normal H pattern, but just, oh my god. Clutch, it's nice and tight. Just go first, second, third. Ooh. Absolutely, just, when you're driving it, it just like, you feel a race car.
The third, fourth is.
Oh, it's just a bump, bump, bump. See the mechanism when you have to do it reverse. And he's actually lifting the lock there.
I need one of these.
I know.
You're the only one. Oh, Jesus, yeah. Oh, I like that actually.
According to the figures, there's only 160 made in red, and there's only 23 with a sunroof in red.
Right, so it's a 1 in 23 count.
JDM database on
Yeah,
Facebook.
yeah, yeah.
It is, yeah.
Right.
There's only 23 with a sunroof.
You've done a long time too, though, haven't you?
11, I think it's 11 years this year or 12 years.
It's nice. You never sell it.
No, there's no point.
There's no point.
Had it too long.
You probably got that at the right time to buy it too, did you?
Got that at a...
Yeah.
I won't say how
You don't
cheap
even
it
need to
was.
say, but I just
It was
know.
when everything was down.
I know well you did.
But the engine was knackered. It was already... I don't think it was rattling, but it was badly built. Somebody had been at it.
Yes.
So dropped that out, and it's basically, it's an MR spec engine.
Yes,
that I built.
yes.
So it's pretty much standard.
It's a cracker, like. And you were saying about that, you got them wheels somewhere too, didn't you?
Them wheels we found by sheer chance, and they were silver, but they won't fit in Evo 4 because the spacing's too much. So
oh right,
it was my mate who was building the 4. He was getting them.
You robbed them off them.
Yeah, sure. Just chopping and changing.
Yeah, they're nice. They sit really well on it. So
no, I wasn't keen on the white wheels, but.
Oh no, I like
white
the white
on the red. It does actually work.
And then with the wee blade on the spoiler and stuff like that as well.
Yeah, because they're all silver. That's on maximum attack angle because they're adjustable.
that was nice. Just
straight to the shop.
Just cut that bit out. Cut.
No.
Yeah,
So
and then this is your buddy's white one.
This is Jeff, my mate's buddy one. He won that through a bit of a story, but he won that off our Kings.
Oh, nice.
A couple of years ago. But she's all original.
Right.
There's a couple little bits, obviously, it's had paint over type.
Yeah.
But she's really good. It's really good original car, but we had them both mapped, so they're both sort of similar.
Yes.
Same MR cams. He's running a 9 turbo. I'm running a 7 turbo.
Oh right, okay.
But we both basically, mine was 385 and that was 383 or something.
Oh,
Virtually
she's
the same.
very close.
On the octane boost, you can't push too much more on sort of our fuel.
Yes.
Especially when you're standard enough inside.
And then you're doing a 4 as well. Is you doing a 4?
No, it's mate. He's not here at the moment.
Oh, right, okay.
We're doing the 4. That's going red. That's in the shell at the moment, but it's got to be done by August so we can get to the ring.
These are going over to the Nürburgring. Who's going to be quickest over there?
I will see what happens. I think we've got to take it handy because we're all going to make it back.
He's only going over to enjoy the track. He's aren't going over to be competitive about it.
No.
Until he's get on the track.
Yeah, that could change.
That's when the whole crack begins, isn't it?
Then it can go horribly wrong.
And after looking at these savage cars, we decided it's time to head home.
Oh, right lads, long day. We're on the way home.
We are tipping on home.
Tipping on home, but my God, some bit of crack.
Some crack.
Great crack, lads.
I actually got great crack today.
You did, and you running on hopes and dreams.
Yeah, you're running on hopes and dreams, boy. 3 hours sleep in 24 hours.
And he's fucking buzzing, lads. He had a great time. So, lads, that's it. Thanks very much for watching. Leave us a like. Tell us what you've enjoyed about the video the most. But lads, if you're in need of any kind of parts, get on to the boys from One Stop. That is like, it's incredible the amount of stock that they hold there. So, that's it. Thanks very much for watching the video.
Thanks to One Stop as well for having us down.
Thanks very much to One Stop for having us. Shout out to Lorraine.
She's a lady.
Absolute gentleman.
And Svetlana.
And Svetlana.
I hope I'm pronouncing that right. I should have asked that one.
Well, probably not, but it doesn't matter because she's shite at Connect 4.
She is terrible at Connect 4.
Get wrecked.
Yeah.
Lads, thanks for watching. We'll see you later. Bye.